AutoDS Dropshipping tutorial for beginners. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be exploring and showing you guys how the AutoDS platform works. As you can see right now on our screen, I'm currently in my AutoDS marketplace. The version of my plan is Shopify, therefore I am able to connect AutoDS and Shopify. But when you're first creating an account in AutoDS, it's actually going to ask you what platforms are you planning to connect AutoDS with, because it may have a different feature or it may have a different settings or the versions. Therefore, the pricing or the plan for different platforms are different. You can't have the same plan for Shopify and eBay because those are two different platforms. So if you check here on the plans, these are the different options that you're first going to see when you first create an account in AutoDS. You have eBay, Shopify, Facebook, Amazon, Wix, Woo, and Etsy. The integration and connection between these different platforms are different. Therefore, the process may differ at the setup, but the usage and the features of AutoDS are essentially the same. So what we're going to be demoing in today's video is the Shopify version. So I have my Shopify version connected over here, and I already tested out a few products over here, which I will show you guys how it will work. So over here we have AutoDS, and the homepage of AutoDS is the marketplace. The marketplace is where you will be able to find products that you will be able to import into the connected store that you have. If you're unaware, AutoDS main purpose is to become a very good dropshipping platform and a source of products for you to sell on your different stores. And so the homepage, which is the marketplace, is basically different products that you could import and sell on the different stores that you have. For example, we have this Moonlight over here. You could import that into whatever platform you have, whether it's eBay, Facebook, Wix, or based on the list that I have given. And in my case, I could easily import that into my Shopify store over here. So you have different features over here on the left side. Under Marketplace, you're actually able to view handpicked products, or basically AutoDS top products. As you can see here, you can easily select between the 4 options over here. If you want more options, you would need to add additional to your plan. But anyway, you could still view the top 4 products that you could easily add into your Shopify or whatever store that you have. There's also a TikTok store over here where you could view products that are currently or actually trending in TikTok, which is also really great. And there's also trending products over here. It also has a surprising feature, which is a print on demand. If you're not aware to what a print on demand is, basically you could select any type of product. Of course, there's a limited options over here from apparels, accessories, decorations, and footwear, and home and living. But essentially, you could choose any of these products and add your own design. You could customize your own logo, your own message, or basically anything that you could put or you want to put on a product. You could easily do that with the print on demand option, and then of course import that to the store that you're trying to sell. And AutoDS will handle everything and the rest of the things behind the scenes. You could also check out your dashboard over here, where you will be able to check out your profits, orders, total revenue, and new orders, basically for data gathering and important information. You can check out the orders that you currently have, sorting requests, that's also one of your features. The products over here, these are the different products that you are importing from the marketplace. You will be able to check out the different information, from pricing to the ID to the amount of product that you have sold, and many more. You can check out your drafts over here as well. Now the drafts basically is like a place for you to check out the different products that you have imported. Second chance for you to double check whether the product that you are importing are indeed products that you want to sell. And if the products are the final ones, you can easily move them from drafts into the products. So let's demonstrate how it works. First things first, select a product that you want. You could either customize it or import it directly. So let's import it by importing drafts. And after that, it should appear in the draft section. As you can see, custom name with birthstone heart necklace. We're simply going to click on import. And now as you can see, it has started to import. It's going to have a bit of processing, maybe like 30 seconds to a few minutes. It depends on the server or your internet, but it's going to be a quick importation. As you can see, it's currently in progress over here on the top. It's importing. The other products that I have already imported are actually in my Shopify store right now. So all of these products, these 4 products over here, are imported from AutoDS. And after this one, remember the name, customized name with birthstone, it should appear into our list over here. So let's wait for the importation to be successful. Anyway, while waiting for that, I already showed you these options over here. So if you want to modify information of the product, you could modify it over here as well. Of course, it will cascade into your Shopify store as well, since Shopify is connected and synced with AutoDS. Oh, but there we go. As you can see, the birthstone has been successfully imported. And if I refresh our Shopify over here, it should appear in this list of products that we have as well. And the same concept or the same idea will be what will happen on the other platforms that you decided to connect it with as well. Of course, with slight differences, because all of these platforms are visually very different from each other. So to give you to show you more, let's actually view our online store over here and show you guys what the different products would look like on our online store that we have just created over here. So let's preview over here. There we go. And as you can see, these are all products that I have taken from AutoDS. So you can see the pricing, the different information, the variants, all of the information of the products are going to be available over here. So you can see, you can change the colors, the quantity, and all of those things. Even the photos are automatically added, just like this one. And of course, the description and all of those things. So that's basically it, guys. If there's more information under settings, you can also add your own product. You could create one product or multiple products if you want. You could also change the Shopify store or add another Shopify store connected to your AutoDS if you have multiple Shopify stores. But anyway, that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.